Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, good afternoon.
Good
How are you
afternoon,
all?
ma'am. Thank you.
Fine? All are fine? Doing good?
Yes. Yes.
Ellen Via, your sister is sitting with you.
Yes.
Yes, and Mayuga's sister is also with her. Okay. Okay, children. So today I told we will start a new chapter, isn't it?
Multiplication. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Tables are not needed now. No need of taking the table book and all. We will do repeated addition today. Then afterwards, on Monday or Wednesday, we will start our multiplication with the tables. Okay. Today, last year also multiplication was there, but it was only through repeated addition, isn't it? Do you remember repeated addition? Anybody remembers? Let me see. Oh, everybody might have forgotten, isn't it? Okay. So I will show you some repeated addition on the board. 2 problems I will show you, then 2 problems you have to do by yourself after that. Okay. Are you all ready? So multiplication is repeated addition. When we repeat, when the same numbers are added many times, we will get multiplication. Okay. Okay, so don't take any book, don't touch your book. Just fold your hands and look at the board. I will show you how to do the repeated addition. You people have forgotten it. So I will show you 2 problems now on the board. After that 2 problems you have to do by yourself. Okay, children. So fold your hands. Look at the board, all of you. Yes. So don't write anything. Multiplication. We have started a new chapter, multiplication. We are going to do repeated addition. Don't write anything. I'll give you the notes. So, here I'm going to draw 3 boxes. Three boxes, and inside each box I'm going to draw 3 stars. Or else 2 stars. 2 stars have been drawn inside the 3 boxes, isn't it? And 3 boxes, these 3 boxes are called as groups. So there are 3 groups, and inside each group there are 2 stars. So you have to write the statement over here. Below the groups, you have to write number of groups. Now how many groups are there? The boxes are the groups. So 1, 2, 3. 3 rectangles are there, 3 boxes are there. So that is a group. So number of groups is equal to 3. Secondly, number of, here we have drawn stars. So you have to write number of stars in each group. In all the 3 groups, there are 2 stars, isn't it? So the number of stars in each group is 2. And how many groups are there? There are 3 groups, and number of stars in each group is 2. At last, we have to find out the total stars. No need of counting the stars as 1, 2, 3, 4 and all. We will get the number of stars in another way. So total number of stars. This 2, the number of stars is to be repeated 3 times. We got this 2 from the number of stars. There are 2 stars in each group. That is this 2. And this we have repeated 3 times because there are 3 groups. So the number of objects is to be repeated according to the groups of objects. Now, 2 plus 2. Take 2 numbers at a time. 2 plus 2, 4. One more number is left over there. So this 4 and this 2 is to be added. 4 plus 2 is 6. So final answer is 6. That means we got 6 stars. Now count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 stars, isn't it? One more. All of you listen here because next 2 you have to do by yourself. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups are there, and in each group I have drawn 3 circles. This is the question. Down of that, first thing you have to write is number of groups. Count the number of groups. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 groups in the question. So number of groups is equal to 4. Next step, number of, here the object is circle. So write number of circles in each group. So the number of circles in each group is 1, 2, 3. Write 3. Next step, total circles. Our aim is to find out the circles. Now what is to be done here? The number of circle in each group is 3. So this 3 is to be repeated 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So number of object is to be repeated according to the group. Here the number of object is 3 and we have to repeat 4 times because there are 4 groups. Now take 2 numbers at a time. 3 plus 3, 6. Put the plus sign, again 3 plus 3, 6. Now 2 numbers are there. Add these 2 numbers, 6 plus 6. We will get 12. So this is the final answer. There are 12 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Got? This is the way repeated addition is done. Some groups will be given. Inside that group, some objects will be there, some shapes will be there. First thing, you have to write about the groups. Number of groups. How many groups are there in total? In the next statement, you have to write the number of objects in each group. You have to count the objects only in the first group. And according to that, you have to write the number. Then total objects. Total objects is found out by adding the number of objects according to the groups given. If 4 groups are there, you have to repeat the number of objects 4 times. If 8 groups are there, you have to repeat the number of objects 8 times. Then by taking 2 at a time, you have to add it. Will you try it? Shall I give one question? Okay. Now take out your rough book. All of you take your rough book. Take out your pencil. Again, I am going to share the board. First, you write the date. Today is 23. 23, 1, 21. Chapter 8. Chapter 8, multiplication. That is the main heading. Now, the subheading is repeated addition. First question. Groups 1, 2, 3. In each group, I'm going to draw 2 flowers. In each group, there are 2 stars, 2 flowers. Okay, the first one. First step is to be, the first step to be written is number of groups. Ellen Bia, how many groups are there?
3.
3 groups. Good. 1, 2, 3. These are the groups. So number of groups are 3. Next, number of, in this group there are flowers, isn't it? So write there number of flowers in each group. Abhinav, how many flowers are there in each group?
2.
2. Yes, good. There are 2 flowers in each group. So write 2. Next heading is total flowers. Mayuga,
Yes, ma'am.
which number is to be repeated?
2.
2 is to be repeated. How many times?
3 times.
3 times. Good. 2 is to be repeated 3 times. The number of object is to be repeated according to the group. 2 plus 2 plus 2. Now 2 numbers at a time. So 2 plus 2. Aram, 2 plus 2 is?
4.
4. Now 4 and which number is to be added?
2.
2. Yes. Good. This 4 and this 2 is to be added. Sadik, what is 4 plus 2?
4.
4
plus 2, 6.
6. Yes. Good. So total how many flowers are there?
6 flowers.
6 flowers are there in total. After getting the answer, if you want, you can just count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 flowers in total. Now second one you have to do by yourself. Okay, second question. One, two, three, four. 4 groups are there. Now 4 groups. I'm going to draw triangles. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. In all the groups there are 3 triangles. So the statement is to be written. Simply don't count the triangles and don't write the answer. You have to write each step. First, number of groups is equal to, count the groups and write, then number of triangles in each group. The shape is triangle, so number of triangles in each group is equal to, then total triangles. Two minutes for doing, then I will ask the answer. Everybody is doing, no? Yes. One more minute, then I will ask the answer. Hadlin has finished doing? Good. Did you write all the steps, Hadlin? Okay, good. Okay, let me start asking now. Sribala.
Yes, ma'am.
Sribala, what is the first step you have written? First statement?
Number of groups.
Yes, good. Number of groups. Number of groups is equal to Chidrup. How many groups are there?
3.
3. Check once again. 3, 4, 5 or 6. How many are there?
4.
4. I want a final answer. 3 or 4?
4.
4. Okay. 4 groups. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So there are 4 groups. Now second step. Ahmed, second statement.
Yes, ma'am. Number
of triangles
in each
yes
group.
in each group. Yes, okay, good. Number of triangles in each group is equal to Devanandan. How many triangles are there in each group?
12.
Huh?
12.
12. I did not ask you the total. I am asking you number of triangles in each group.
3.
3. Yes. Number of triangles in each group is equal to 3. Don't write the final answer over there. Don't count and write. We have to use repeated addition. So total triangles. Hadlin, which number is to be added and how many times?
4 times 3.
Good. 3 is to be added 4 times. Good. Number of object is to be added according to the groups. 3 is to be added 4 times. Now 3 and 3 together and 3 and 3 together. Rida.
Yes, ma'am.
3 plus 3?
6.
6. Good. First 3 plus 3 is 6. Put the plus sign down. Then again 3 plus 3 is 6. Now 6 and 6 is to be added. Vrinda. 6 plus 6?
9. 12.
12. So how many triangles are there in total, Vrinda?
12.
Good. 6 plus 6 is 12. So write 12 and write triangles with it. 12 triangles. Now after getting the answer, if you want, you can count and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there are 12 triangles in total. One more. Question number 3. Question number 3. Two groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Two groups and 5 circles. Do children? Third one is also for doing by yourself. What happened, Brinda? Not doing? Okay, Mahadevan, are you there, Mahadevan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Mahadevan, what is to be written first?
Number of groups.
Yes, good. First, we have to write number of groups is equal to Johan. How many groups are there, Johan? Johan, fast. How many groups?
Two.
2. Yes. Number of groups is equal to 2. Good. Now, next statement. Who has not got? Jessica. Next step. What should be the next statement? Jessica. Okay, again, Rida. What should be the next statement?
Number
Yes. Number of. Yes, good. Number of circles in each group. Number of circles in each group is equal to Brahmadat. Number of circles in each group is equal to
number of
how many circles are there, Brahmadat?
5.
5. Number of circles in each group is equal to 5. Now, last statement. Devanandan, the last statement.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, the last statement.
Total circles.
Total circles. Okay, good. Mute. Total circles is equal to Ellen Via. Which number is to be repeated and how many times?
Two times.
2 times. Which number?
5.
5. 5 is to be repeated 2 times. The number of circles is to be repeated according to the groups. 5 plus 5. Chidrup, 5 plus 5 is
10.
10. Yes. So total how many circles are there?
5.
5. Total
10.
10. Yes. 10 circles are there in total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the way repeated addition is done. All of you got, right?
Yeah.
Yes, I hope all of you have understood how to do it. So this is the way repeated addition is done. So today I will send the notes and I will send the homework also. Okay, you have to do it in your notebook neatly and we will meet on Monday. Most probably we will continue the same topic on Monday. Then on Wednesday, we will do our workbook problems of repeated addition, or else we will start the next topic. Okay? So do the homework in your notebook and complete the notes also, which will be sent to you.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you, children.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Okay, bye.